Welcome student. Welcome to the course of Industrial Engineering. Today we are going to start. Today in the continuation of our last lecture, that is production planning, we are going to start the major properties or major function for production planning. We had seen what the production planning means. We had also seen what are the major factors or function that is going to affect the production planning. Different function that we had seen, that pre-planning, routing, scheduling, dispatching and controlling. And in the continuation of computer factors, we had discussed two factors, that is pre-planning and routing. Now we are going to discuss three more factors, that is scheduling, dispatching and controlling. I know, or I will write whole factor, that is first pre-planning, we had discussed earlier. Second, routing. Third, scheduling. Okay, now pre-planning, routing, scheduling, then dispatching and controlling, then dispatching, and last controlling. We had seen in last video, that is pre-planning and routing. Now we are going to see scheduling, dispatching and controlling. So write down the topic scheduling. Write down topic scheduling. Scheduling means deciding the time of manufacturing. Means suppose a vendor give you the order and you have to fulfill their order within 1 week. So your management is going to give order to the worker and told that you have to make in within 25 days. 5 days for buffer. Is also know that maybe he may get late, but their target time is 25. So the worker work on the scheduled time or scheduled day, which is 25 days, and 5 days for buffer. If they fail to do that, they have 5 more extra days, and then at the last of 30th day, the delivery will be occur. Okay. For doing the work within the proper time, there must be some scheduling. Means what was the different work will be done and within what time you have to do that work. That all will be scheduled earlier. Okay. Now write down. Scheduling is deciding the time of manufacturing. Scheduling is deciding the time of manufacturing. Okay. Scheduling is the time. Sorry, scheduling is the time or deciding time for manufacturing. Write down in the continuation. It also gives the rate of production. It also gives the rate of प्रोडक्शन. इट ऑल्सो गिव्स, यहाँ पे प्रोडक्शन है, ये हम लोग क्रॉस कर गए लाइन को. इट ऑल्सो गिव्स, यहाँ तक लाइन है, ठीक है, सॉरी, ठीक है. इट ऑल्सो गिव द रेट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. द मेन एम ऑफ शेड्यूलिंग इज टू गेट, राइट डाउन, द मेन एम ऑफ शेड्यूलिंग इज टू गेट द रिक्वायर्ड आउटपुट विदाउट डिले. ओके. मेन एम क्या है? मेन एम is to get required output without delay. Okay, means getting required output without delay. यहाँ पे साइन कर रहा है तो इसके बाद क्या लिखा है? गेट के बाद रिक्वायर्ड आउटपुट, वो जो यहाँ पे चमक रहा है उसकी वजह से. Gantt chart that we will discuss later. GANTE, Gantt chart for scheduling and for production planning. Gantt chart are used for scheduling. The following are three types of scheduling. Write down. The following are three types of scheduling. First, master scheduling. ओके, एक मिनट रुकेंगे, इसको रफ कर लें. Three types of scheduling. फर्स्ट, पहला टाइप क्या है? मास्टर शेड्यूलिंग. सेकंड, पार्ट शेड्यूलिंग. थर्ड, मशीन लोड शेड्यूलिंग. ओके, फर्स्ट मास्टर शेड्यूलिंग। इसके अंदर बस हम लोग को समझना है तीन तरह का है, बाकी लिखना कुछ नहीं है। इन मास्टर शेड्यूलिंग यू आर गोइंग टू शेड्यूल all the process of making or of production, from purchasing of the raw material to the making of the product at each stations or each machine, packaging of the end product and delivery. Okay, all are comes under the master scheduling. Part scheduling means you have to schedule each and every part, means how much time is going to taken for machining, how much time is going to taken for packaging, how much time is going to taken for processing. Each hour comes under part, means you are going to schedule part by part, means step by step you are going to schedule. Okay, last, machine load scheduling means what are the different works and what are the times that you are going to take in for making product. Okay, so this is all about scheduling. Now write down dispatching. Fourth factor, dispatching. As clear from name that after making of your product, you are going to dispatch to the respective vendors. Okay, so dispatching is the one of the most major factor for your product planning. Write down in dispatching. In dispatching, comma, orders and instruction. Orders and instruction. Write down in continuation. In dispatching, comma, order and instruction are issued to various departments for starting the production. Orders and instruction are given to different departments department to start मैन्युफैक्चरिंग। दिख रहा है? नहीं दिख रहा। टू स्टार्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और टू स्टार्ट प्रोडक्शन। ओके, द फॉलोइंग डॉक्यूमेंट आर issued for different department. The following document is issued to different डिपार्टमेंट। हाँ वो है तो हाँ हो जाना चाहिए, तो फिर इसको उधर करना पड़ेगा। अच्छा हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा। हाँ हाँ 4 आ जाएगा। ठीक है आज ही ओके। व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स इशूड? पहला डॉक्यूमेंट जो इशू होगा, सॉरी, जॉब ऑर्डर और वर्क ऑर्डर और शॉप ऑर्डर। जॉब ऑर्डर, जॉब ऑर्डर कॉमा वर्क ऑर्डर and or shop order means you have to produce document for a job order। ठीक है, जैसे कोई काम शुरू करने से पहले या कहीं ज्वाइनिंग से पहले आप लोगों को पता है कि एक ऑर्डर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग लेटर आपके पास होता है। ठीक है, वैसे ही रिलेटेड है जॉब ऑर्डर। और फॉर स्टार्टिंग अ वर्क they are giving work order to the production department। पहला हो गया। सेकंड, मटेरियल इशू ऑर्डर, टूल ऑर्डर, मटेरियल इशू ऑर्डर। थर्ड, टूल ऑर्डर। ओके, मीन्स फॉर स्टार्टिंग योर प्रोडक्शन you are going to purchase material, so that you have to release some order, that is material issue order। If you have material in your stock, you have to give to production department, or if you don't have, you have to purchase from outside market, and then you have to issue। Third, tool order। Okay, now third step is tool order। You have to give letter to the department, so that the different tools that are or that will going to employ for making your product is going to order by tool order। Fourth, move order, final delivery notification। Move order, and last, final delivery notification। Means finally you are going to deliver, and after receiving, like you receive in Flipkart, Amazon or different online site, you have to sign out or sign the final delivery notification। Move order means after making of your product, you have to order for movement of your end product to the vendor, and finally the finally delivery notification means your delivery is okay and product is dispatched to the respective vendor। Okay, last, controlling, write down controlling। These all are comes under the major function of product planning. Controlling means, as we had discussed, that controlling means your product is making on scheduled or as per plan or not. Okay, if there is difficulties or there is misscheduling, so you have to guide by controlling method, or you have to control the things so that the product will be on time, the product standard will be at a level, and you will going to deliver your product on the expected time. Okay, right on. Controlling is making the production activity to take place according to plan. Making the production activities activities to take place according to plan. Okay, the process of manufacturing activities are checked continuously. The process of manufacturing activities checked continuously. Okay, means you are going to check each and every point so that there should not be mishandling or changing from the your scheduled standard or scheduled time. Okay, if there is any delay, if there is any delay or shortfall in production, corrective action is taken. Write down one more step. If there is any delay or shortfall, corrective action corrective action is taken. Okay, means you are going to check each and every step of manufacturing process, and if there is some disturbance, you must be taken, or sorry, you must be take some corrective action so that your production activity will be according to your plan. Write down the different types of production control are the different types of production control are कौन कौन सा टाइप्स है? फर्स्ट मटेरियल कंट्रोल, लेबर कंट्रोल एंड कॉस्ट कंट्रोल. फर्स्ट मटेरियल कंट्रोल, सेकंड लेबर कंट्रोल, एंड थर्ड cost control. Means you have to check at each and every point of manufacturing process, and then you have to control all these things. That is first material control. You have to control your material. Controlling of material means there should be minimum or no wastage of material during production. Okay, there should be a labor control means your worker, your labor will not move unnecessary in the firm, or maybe some delay in the production uh, of a product. Okay, and last cost control means you have to set a minimum uh, cost. Minimum cost does not mean that you are going to take loss. Okay, you are not going to take loss. आप वहाँ पे गेन के लिए हैं, बट एट द मिनिमम लेवल, सो दैट यू हैव टू compete in the external market or external open market. Okay, now we have to emphasize on forecasting. This is all about the factors that are going to affect the production planning. We will see some important factors which is important for your external exam. Okay, so write down forecasting. Today is only introductory class for forecasting. Okay, means we only introduce forecasting. Then after the today lecture, that is in next lecture, we will see the different method that we are going to employ for forecasting for a product. Okay, as we had discussed that forecasting means the prediction, means there is some prediction for a product, that what will be the future scope for your product. As we had discuss example of FCI that is going to be opened in our cities. Sorry, our city. Okay, FCI is going to produce urea, and for making urea, sorry, and for packing urea, he may need lakhs of sack or boring that you would call boring. Some of the private companies, like some jute mills, some plastic mills, is preparing jute bags or jute sack in the advance by using the method of forecasting. He may predict that whenever the FCI is going to open, he may need lots of bag. So in the advance, that company, that is private jute bag company, are making the bags so that in future when there is demand, we will supply as soon as possible, because after starting or after production of urea, there is just demand of bags. Okay, now there is different types of forecasting. We will discuss later, but now we are seeing it only. First method is estimate based on past experience. Estimate based on past experience. Okay, means a management person or a industrial engineer or any worker or employee of a firm who have experience, he may estimate on the basis of their experience or their past experience, specifically means that you may heard that government of India have different advisory boards. Means the advisory boards consist of experienced employee, so that he may give advice to the government of India or any country government. Okay, he may use their past experience and subject knowledge. Second type of forecasting is sales force estimate. Sales force estimate. Okay, sales force estimate. Third, we will see later on. Don't worry, we will see one by one all the forecasting method. Third, trend line estimate. Trend line estimate. Okay, means according to trend you are going to forecast your product. Got it? Like it is a corona period, and in corona period different firms, that is biomedical industries, are in trend to make the product as soon as possible and make maximum profit. Okay, so there is trend of mobile manufacturing also. The manufacturer see the trend of the or customer need, so that they may forecast how much or what variety of product we may going to produce. Fourth, correlation method, very important method, mathematical method, correlation method, important for your exam point of view. Means you are going to correlate your past sales and past things with your present and forecast your future. Okay, that comes under correlation method and it is very important for your external exam. Got it? Last method is market research. Means the company is going to see the different responses comes from customer, maybe the customer of that product or not, doesn't matter. But what customer need or what type of special things that a customer need in a product, that may come from market survey or market research. Okay, you may give anywhere in the form of some market research, giving your advice or giving your views or giving some survey or maybe some parts of your survey in the different platform, that is your news hunt or Facebook or some sort of in Instagram. In different platforms you may get some or you may be the part of the survey of market. Okay, so these are the different forecasting method and we will see one by one each and every method. Let's repeat again so that we will not able to or we will not forget anything. First thing, estimate based on your past experience, where I experience personal age, employ for things or employ for this. Sales force estimate, trend line estimate means the recent trend. Then correlation method, important one, and last market research. In the next video, we will see each and every forecasting method. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.